drop dick coming, 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 lift it up, give it up, that vibe move, fuck nigga, rock you, my nigga, no, you ain't nothing but so good.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Yana, and welcome back to another video. This video is gonna be on my Twistouts. This Twistout about to be bomb, cause I've been getting some bomb Twistouts lately. Like, this is my hair with no product, and y'all about to think this is weird, but all I did was deep condition my hair. I detangled my hair and then I deep conditioned my hair, and that was it. I didn't feel like washing it. I cold washed it or whatever, but I think we're gonna go with a middle part today, because I'm always doing freaking side parts. Okay, so when picking out my products for my twist out or whatever, but for my twisting gel, I'm gonna be using the, where is it? Y'all, I'm dumb. It was right here this whole time. Okay, for my twisting gel, we're gonna be using the Main Choice Asian Egyptian 24 karat glistening
Jesus Christ, get it out.
gold twisting gel. And then for my leave-in, okay, I'm deciding between the Curl Love Moisture Milk and the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Curl Style Milk. I'm trying to figure out which products go together. So, oh yeah, that's the main point. When you're doing your twist out, or when you're putting any products in your hair, you gotta make sure that they go together. And so, how to figure out if your products go together so your hair won't flake up, all you would do is, I'll show you. See? No. You see how it like clumpy? You don't want that. Ain't nobody asked for Siri to come on. So you want your products mixed together. You don't want them clump up. You want them smooth on your hand. So Camille Rosa Moisture Milk. Even though this right here, I love this. Love it. Okay, so next we're gonna be trying to see if the Shea Moisture Curling Style Milk mixed together with the twisting gel. Oh my god. Okay, a little bit of that. See, that's what we want to see. You want to see it mix together, no clumpy. So today we're going to be doing the Curling Style Milk and the twisting gel. Okay, but right now I'm just about to put the Curling Style Milk in my hand, and y'all gonna see how I do that. Okay, I'll just section
Y'all, please don't mind that crumb on my lip.
my hair. And I don't know how big I'm gonna do these twists, but we gonna see. With this twisting gel, I don't need to put like a lot of product at all. That much of it, you can see it. And with this, I will go ahead and part like as I go to know how many twists I'm gonna do in that row. No, 4. I'm gonna do 4. Hey, hey, this is like day. When did I do my hair? When did I do my hair? When did I do my Hold on, when did I do my hair? Y'all, I did these jokers November 2nd. Today is it's freaking November 10th. I didn't mean to keep these things in that long. That's a protective style for you. That right there. Ew. Okay, so back back to what I was saying. To get rid of these bent twists, I'm gonna blow dry it out. Y'all, I just cannot believe I really kept these twisting for that long. Okay, let me get on with this. Do y'all see the shine though? Is that a twist right there? What? Okay, y'all, so I'm back. My freaking camera died and so everything. Anyway, these are the results and like look at that. Look at this shine. Like no, for real. Like put that up. Or y'all, I was thinking about orgy style. You know how you sleep down the dude, put the little bobby pin stick. But oh, I'm probably gonna go with that. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, duh.